Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. Bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2016 Honda Odyssey Touring Elite with only 132,000 miles. This is a one-owner van from not far from here in Southern Virginia. Really nice van, top of the line, lots of great features. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of them. So as we mentioned, this is a Touring Elite. Comes with lots of great features inside and out. It's in excellent condition, no rust or corrosion. Comes with a clean title. Lots of cosmetic details on the outside, all the chrome. It's got the roof rack. A couple of small scratches which you can probably not see very well in the video, but right above the wheel well and just a little bit onto the door there. But again, very minor, just surface scratches, but no major dents or dings. Again, no rust. It's got the backup camera, of course, power doors. Lots of great interior features too, which we'll show you in just a minute. All right, here's a view of the interior on the driver's side. For one thing, you can see that the van is absolutely immaculate inside, very clean. Leather's in great shape. No rips or tears. Carpet's extremely clean. It's got the original mats. And then of course with the Elite Edition, you get all the extra features, navigation. It's got the DVD player in the back, which we'll show you. Sunroof, heated seats. Just loaded up with all the features you can get in these Odyssey vans. Here's a view of the second row. This particular model has the insert here for the second row, so you can actually seat 8 people, 3 in the back, 3 in the middle. Again, you can see how clean these mats are. Sorry for the bad lighting, but definitely very clean, no stains, no pet hair, no smoky smell. Here's a view of the third row as well, and that third row will fold completely flat down into the cargo space in the back. And then of course here's your DVD player, a nice widescreen. So again, very nice inside and out. Comes with the power lift gate. And as we mentioned, those seats will fold down here into the cargo area, but of course when you have them up, you got a nice all-weather mat, plenty of storage area. Even includes a built-in vacuum which functions. It's got a canister here in the bottom you can take out and empty with a bag, just like any normal vacuum. So again, lots of extra features here with this Odyssey. Here's a view of the passenger side. Again, leather's in beautiful condition here. Both front seats here are powered. Of course, you got the console in the middle. Automatic climate control. You got your DVD controls down here. Comes with the original books. And you can see how clean the mats are. Just a really nice van inside and out. So a quick look under the hood. You can see it runs nice and smooth. No rust or corrosion. 3.5 liter V6, nice and smooth. This Odyssey also has a really nice set of wheels and tires. Can't get much better than the Michelin Defenders. All 4 tires are nice and smooth, right around maybe 60% left on the tread. And then of course you got the factory Honda wheels, which are 2-tone alloy wheels. All 4 in good condition, no curb rash, no rust, no corrosion. All right, everyone, thanks for checking out the video on this 2016 Honda Odyssey Touring Elite with 132,000 miles. As we mentioned, this is a one-owner. You can find out more details on our website at byronthomasauto.com. There you can also check out the rest of the inventory we have on our lot, and of course send us a message if you'd like to schedule a test drive or have any questions. Have a great day.